Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do the Tuesday weekly video again, and I want to show you something for the Bitcoin price. We had a very interesting week so far, and or last week, I have to be, if I have to be exact, we had a very nice week, and with a big green candle, you can see that right here. And yeah, we're basically still in this pattern, right? This falling wedge that we broke out of. We retested it right here, and now we saw some sideways action, and now a very nice candle, weekly candle last week, and it's still green for now, which is very interesting, of course. In the longer term, there is some bearish news in the shorter time frames, which I will show you. And yeah, as you can see right here, we've basically forming a candle just as high as the other one right now, and we seem to be struggling. So this candle right here and this candle right here, they do look exactly the same right now. Of course, the week is still 5 days. We still have 5 days left to go. But just let's hope and see that we will not see another red candle right here. I do not see a lot of sell pressure right now. If we're looking at the RSI, then it's definitely not oversold on the weekly, but we will find on the shorter time frames that we are oversold, and I do expect some retracement right here. Yeah, let's jump straight into that. Let's go to the daily right now, because the daily RSI right here is 87, which is which is basically oversold. It is heading down a little, but you can also see that the MACD is also turning lighter green right now. That doesn't mean we will go anywhere, but yeah. On the 4-hour lead time frame and the hourly, we can see a little bearish divergence showing up. So I do expect some retracement, quite possibly to the 19.2K, which is a very interesting level and very important level. We can see that right here, the 19.2. It acted as support right here. We fell through with the FTX debacle, and then yeah, we now are back to the old price before like this. I like to say the pre FTX version. I still believe that Bitcoin is underrated right now, undervalued right now, and yeah, that's because of the circumstances that we already had a bear market, and then we had some bearish news with the FTX drop, but we seem to be recovered right now, so that's good, of course. So what we're finding right now is that we have this previous high right now, and what I would like to see for Bitcoin to do is break that, because you can see right now that we are basically getting rejected every time by this level, and this is the same height, right? So the 21.34K is the one we are needing to break in order to become a little more bullish again. And yeah, but we've seen this basically we could what could eventually happen is this maybe could be the cup. Then we will find a small retracement handle, and we would see something like this right now there. That could be what we call a cup and handle pattern, and that could be interesting. But that's all guesstimating, I guess, because that's definitely not something that's in the charts right now. But seeing this shape forming right here does remind me of a possible cup and handle. Then we just need to form the handle right here. So basically go through this, and then eventually break out when we break the neckline right here. So that is a very possible scenario, but we're not there yet. Because if we look at the 4 hourly, some YouTubers I saw are, yeah, saying this could be something like a bull flag, like this, but I definitely don't like that because yeah, if we look at the lines, like drawing lines is an exact science, right? So lines are definitely there. So if we look at it like that, then those YouTubers should be looking at something like this. And if that were the case, then we would have seen a breakout and a retest already, but we are not seeing any follow through. So yeah, I'm not that fond of this bull flag scenario. What we definitely could see right here is that we are, yeah, looking at a upwards sloping support line, and we can see that we are also forming a upward sloping channel. So it is a channel, a rising channel, and that would be more of a bearish pattern. But yeah, I also really don't like these lines. Let me just zoom in the 1 hour. Oh, this is what I wanted to show you also, because here in the RSI you can see that the price is forming a higher high right here, and the RSI is forming a lower high right here, which is a bearish divergence. So I'm inclined more to think that we are likely to retrace back to this level, and this could be a very interesting level to set up a long from here, with a stop loss just below, maybe somewhere around here, the 18.6k, and then yeah, we could ride it all up because of this cup and handle pattern, which might be unfolding, right? So that is a possible scenario. We had a great week, which is yeah, magnificent. Of course, we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 consecutive green days. And yeah, we're still moving up, and but on the daily the RSI is oversold. On the 4 hourly, it is quite a bit oversold with that bearish divergence. And yeah, on the on the 1 hourly, we are oversold as well. Oh no, we are not. We're not. But we're seeing the same bearish divergence on the 1 hour, right? With this RSI decreasing in strength and the price going up. So I do expect a retracement right now. So this is not the opportunity, I think, to buy right now. Let's just look at the DXY, which yeah, we've talked about in last week's video, when we were still above that line, and then last week we broke through it, and yeah, we're basically falling below this critical support for the dollar index, which let the Bitcoin price to go up, of course. So that's a good thing to see. My Bitcoin compared to ETH is also still doing quite well. I've swapped some Ethereum for Bitcoin. I think it was on the Monday, January 9th, right here. And then yeah, ETH made Bitcoin did better than ETH, and that's why we could see this upwards sloping support. So that's how you can also make money. You can swap things and see how they compare to another. Just like this is the Bitcoin compared to the US dollar. This is Bitcoin compared to ETH. So yeah, that's it for today, guys. Yeah, it's not that great news, I guess, because I do believe that we will see some retracement. I do think that the 19.2K is a very big level to watch and to keep our eyes on. Yeah, you can see that there is a lot of volume in the VPVR here as well, but yeah, I do believe that this, especially on the weekly, of course, is a very big level, the 19.2K level, and I think bulls will definitely defend that. So what my scenario would be for the longer term, right, is this 19.2K to be respected. And I guess I think somewhere for around a year we will basically do something like this until the next halving. That's my guess for the coming period, right? So I don't believe we're out of the woods yet. Definitely not. And based on history, the bull market will take a long time before it starts. But we are going the right direction by getting above the 19.2K level again and being back on the level before the FTX drama. And yeah, that's it for today, guys. I hope you liked the video. If you did, please smash up the like button, share, and leave a comment if you have a comment, right? And hope to see you next time. Bye.